It's 10 o'clock in the night. Catherine's reading. Shine the light on your face. do the boosh. Catherine is reading in the dark. And we're gonna go to bed. But tomorrow we're gonna vlog, or I'm gonna vlog. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's just get started. My eyes are. Why are my eyes so tiny? Hi guys, so I decided to vlog today with Catherine because we like vlogging together. Oh baby, yeah! And right now I have this peel off mask on. It's this, like, I think it's Japanese or Chinese, I'm not sure, but it's like the My Steaming peel off mask. And I got it from Amazon, so me and Catherine are trying it, and Catherine's eating breakfast right now, and I'm at her house, and I don't know what we're going to do today. Hopefully we do something fun, but I'm not sure, so yeah, my hair looks disgusting, but it's okay. Oh, Ranch ass plate. It's okay. It's really okay. Ah, oh, look at you. Smile.
No, my hair is gross. I don't want you to film me.
Stop. Look at me. Stop. You look like a baby mouse.
God. Oh my god.
I don't know if you guys remember, but in the last vlog with Catherine, I kissed this window and the smudge is still there. Dear God.
How close in front of this wheel in the way? I'm gonna sit in back.
Okay. So,
Don't put this in there. Don't start yet. I'm not wearing pants. Okay, you're good now.
So, in my last vlog, we sat in the same car, and this car doesn't work. And Catherine, so a lot of people thought that Catherine was driving and it was like illegal.
Because I'm 15.
But Catherine doesn't have her permit, and we weren't driving the car, we were just sitting in here. So if you thought we were driving, we weren't driving. And I have no emotion right now because my face is...
I'm trying to have no emotion. But
my face is peeling, so I can't really have any... Catherine's just eating her little toast. Oh. It won't open!
You go up!
Oh.
Vroom, vroom.
I'm gonna avoid just a minute, boy. Here, cut the
You!
Oh my god, oh my, stay. I'm holding your face. Oh.
Disclaimer, I'm not as mean as I sound. I'm just a little sassy to Sage because of that.
Because of what?
Because
God bless
she just needs
America.
help sometimes.
You have to peel it slowly from the...
Yeah, how's yours going so
Slowly upwards. Oh, it feels good.
Yours is going so well.
Oh, it hurts.
Oh wait, I got it.
Ow, it's totally ripping me. I think it's ripping my skin off.
You look like a bug.
A bug?
Oh my god, no, I can't go any further.
Okay, why did we put it all over our face? Why didn't we just do our nose? In the thing? Oh, the lady's not even wearing a mask in this. Alright, I'm just gonna feel I feel like it's ripping my skin off. I feel like it's ripping off all your imperfection. Okay, let's just great, let's put this all over my body. So much fun. Ow, it hurts. So you're supposed to peel it upwards. I feel like if you peeled it sideways, it wouldn't hurt as much. No, I think it would hurt less. Ow, I ripped much. in pink. Just call it.
Oh. That hurts so bad. There's tears coming out of my eyes.
There's tears coming out of my face. There's tears coming out of every pore in my face.
This is the worst pain. Your cheeks are all red. I'm sorry my face looks so red. And...
Look at me.
So now we're going to put on step 3. It feels so soft. What if your face is permanently red?
What if it's permanently ugly?
This will close our pores and it'll make it, you know, softer.
I'm sad. How long is this gonna last?
So we're walking to sushi and it's lunchtime. It's like 12:45 right now. It's like 12:45 right now. So we took a shower and we did our makeup and
I also want to apologize for looking so bad in the last clips.
yeah,
The redness died down.
yeah.
The shirt is from Volano Studios and it says something cool. Hello.
Your neighbor.
Yes, this is a very...
I want to sit.
Did you order
Hold.
this?
No.
Yeah.
Your fingers in the way.
Yeah, right.
Delicious. So I got a rainbow tuna, spicy tuna, and she got a ninja roll, which is basically like fried shrimp inside of a California roll. So yeah. No. Do a peach face. So I know we didn't do much, but I'm gonna end the vlog here because we're not really gonna do anything else. We're not really gonna do anything else today, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Stop! So I'm just gonna end the vlog here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.